As a group, we gave out 2 questionnaires. Our first questionnaire contained general questions about horror films to help us with our ideas and finding out if there was a gap in the market that needed filling. From this, we received results that strongly influenced our decisions on what sort of trailer we would be making. This meant that we had to reject a couple of original ideas that we had thought of as a basic start and make a trailer that would meet the needs of the audience. This being a horror trailer including some form of religiosity, but we couldn't make it too strong in case we offended anyone, and symbols that represented the horror genre. From this, we then asked what type of symbols were stereotypically used in horror genre, and we found that a pentagram was a common and popular response. This taught me that it is important to use audience feedback in order to give the audience what they want and to understand how to put the trailer together. This impacted on our construction work as we found out that we would have to use a lot more effects than we wanted to originally, just so we could give the symbol a way of being involved more and making it stand out. For example, having to make the pentagram glow to display that it was the reason for the characters experiencing paranormal events. As a group, we also gave a pitch to the class explaining what our horror trailer will be about, the shots, the costumes, props and so on that we were planning on using.
We've decided on a basic plot of students making a movie trailer, and then they accidentally draw a real pentagram and get possessed, and then they have to go to a priest and
because of the idea in mind, and from the results from the questionnaire, we put together like a list of props that would be kind of relevant to the project, and probably obviously a pentagram, so that's kind of like the basis of the actual trailer, but then a few like religious symbols like holy water, rosary beads, crucifix and a Bible would probably be necessary for the exorcism portion.
From this, I learnt that we needed to rethink some of the shots and realistically think about how we were going to create them. This impacted our construction as it made filming quite difficult at times because we attempted to try and make it look more professional without realising that it was going to be really difficult with basic filming equipment. For example, we had to film some short shots multiple times because it was difficult to manually tilt the camera whilst keeping it still. Overall, formal and informal feedback has also impacted my ancillary text, as I added the pentagram to my magazine front cover as a result of some feedback from people in class, saying that it would be relevant because it was a vital part of the trailer.